round two with the 20th day of January, the boat show, with the lovely Italian TGI in 4K. This one, pretty big dog right here. Look at that bad boy, huh? Look at that sucker. This is a party hardy one right here. Let's try to walk down. I'll kill myself. I almost fell off a boat the other day. I mean, I'll get it coming right here. Almost fell off one. Yeah, that's a big dog. We'll get over here. Some different kinds, ones. These are more of the riggers, I think. You can tell those bad boys. Paris boats starting at 32. And over here, the boat show for this one, the last one. Look at this big bad boy. Oh my goodness. That's it. Half, oh my goodness. Show press. Oh yeah. This big boy, 104,000. Kingfisherman. Yeah, this we're living in Alaska or somewhere. You're out in Seattle, you're out in Florida. Oh my lord. Oh my goodness. Jesus, look at that. Something's huge. Look at some of these big boys. Right here. Quest. More party barges.
Quest is a smaller company. They are made in St. Louis, Michigan. It's underneath the Apex brand.
So that's more of an open. It's like a little kitchen, a living room.
Very good quality.
Here. The old captain's chair. I like that one guy when he showed me you could have it lit up. A couple have weather radar. Oh, I love this one. I like the open. Some used to have grills on them a long, long time ago. But, it is what it is. Oh. Oh, that's a fishing one right there, that bad boy. Big one. I want you to be seeing the water. That big boy. Ooh, huge. It's a big dog right there. More than that bad boy. So you get a look out here, look at that. It's open now. Here. Look at this big boy right here. Here's the big boy. All right. Oh my goodness. Nice captain chair. This is the one you're down in Florida. You know, a big ass lake like Lake Mille Lacs. Nice. Cruising right along, man. This is the family party barge. Bring your grill on here. Have a good old time. You can see the swapping of so many different boats. Over here, we got Yamahas. Different kind of Minnesota, 10,000 likes for something. It's okay. Oh, jeez. I'm trying to fix that thing. Kind of a nice part. Look at those. Holy moly. Wow. This bad boy. Nice. This is I like this one. More open. It is what it is. So, nice open for it. Nice. Like that captain's chair. That's nice. Sit down here. I can see myself in this boat. Yeah, okay. I can be cheap. I like a good used boat. Nothing wrong with that. We're doing something over there. These are your fishing boats right here. Here's your hunting fishing boat right here, camouflage. You can find it. The ultimate hunting boat, huh?
What's that? How you
doing? Good. The ultimate hunting boat, huh?
Yep. Right here it is.
There it is. Nice. I like it.
It's the Freedom 180.
Is it?
Freedom to hunt, freedom to fish.
There you go. That's why they sacrificed on the altar of freedom out there in World War II. Right. Without it, we'd be speaking Japanese and German right now.
Good thing we're not.
I'm sure. You ever seen go watch the show Man in the Ivory Tower? What would have happened if we didn't succeed? Is that there would have been German and Japanese would have been the whole country. It's called Man in the Ivory Tower. It's very what would have happened if we didn't succeed.
Right.
It's very good. It was on. You can stream it. It's very good. It's a series of what would have happened if we didn't succeed.
It's like an HBO series.
Yeah, it's very good. It plays this out. What would have happened? You know, like the day after. The movie The Day After.
Right.
You know, with the nuclear holocaust. You know, we sunk one of their battleships. We sunk one of theirs. I mean, how it just escalated into all of a sudden the day after of walking around your state, just kind of dazed. You know.
Crazy.
Anyways, guys, nice.
Thanks for stopping by.
No problem. What's this go for with trailer? What's this?
Price of this one? $34.9.
That's with the camo package.
And the whole trailer, the whole 9 yards?
Yep.
There you go, you guys.
90 horsepower max.
Like I told somebody, it's like buying a car, but oh, by the way, you got to pay your engine now. So I like that with the whole package deal. So that's the way these are the real fishing boats, guys. These are the ones that you want to. These are you take out your buddies, you cruise around, get it done. Very simple. You have a sale price $23. They're easy to pull. It's heavy. And the Ivory Tower. They've been around a while. Craft. Classic fishing. This is kind of cool. Smoker craft. This is a nice free shotter. You can bring a little small grill if you want. Put it right in here and catch your fish. Nice. Fire it up. You and your buddies. You can have somebody sit up front here, I think, too, as well, probably. Anyways, guys. Show price 40 grand, give or take. Very nice. Anyways, we will go to the next video. Probably one more for this one. So at the old boat show in October, but gives you an idea of what you have here in the great state of Minnesota. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one.